Welcome back guys to this new video. Today we're going to create a spring-summer design for a collection inspired by the desert. As you may know from the past videos, I get really inspired by the desert because it has a diverse landscape, nature and colors. In these past videos, I focused more on the plants such as cactuses. So in this video and design, I will direct the attention and focus more on the landscape colors and sand dunes present in the desert. Let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is to import the desert landscape image and start editing it to make it stand out more over the white t-shirt by increasing the hue. By the way, this design was made for the 2021 Spring-Summer 3270 clothing line. Now let's add over the image the clothing brand logo for this drop. That in my opinion is very dynamic and curved and fits perfectly the colors and the position in the graphic. Now that we have the main outline, let's create the back design for this tee. It needs to be sleek and clean, using the main logo repeated with only the outer perimeter of the logo creating a 3D effect as you're seeing now. I first tried to use a copy of the logo with a different color to create the 3D effect I was talking about earlier, but it turned out pretty messy. I wanted to go with a vibe that I already used in past designs. Oh, and it reminds me of my portfolio with part of my graphics and projects made this year that is out now on the Behance, link in the description. Now that I made a shameless plug to my Behance profile, we can continue with the video. After I finally realized that the best thing to do was just to add, as previously said, copies of the logo repeated without any color inside. Time to import it in the front design and try to include it to create some connection. Unfortunately, in the end, I didn't use the back design for the front since it didn't match the dimensions I was going for. So I started writing some words and phrases to fill up some space. I added a title for this collection, so Summer Spring with the date of the release, so 2021, that in this case I added them on the bottom, so horizontally. After I added a tagline that this clothing brand uses, that is, "We are the light, are you the shadow?" Oh, and please don't copy it since the second tagline they use is "If you copy us, we'll come and find you," which I can apply even to this channel. Of course, I'm just kidding, I will not come and find you, but please don't copy my work, don't copy my videos, and don't copy my designs. After positioning them vertically and horizontally, the design was made. It needed just to be added on a mockup that in this case is the Global Mind Studios oversized t-shirt mockup that will drop in a couple of weeks. And if you're watching it from the future, maybe it has dropped, so go in the link in the description, maybe you find the link, but it will be out in a couple of weeks, so stay tuned. and I created a promo video just to show you the final design more dynamically presented. Here's the t-shirt. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe and follow my Behance profile, because if you do, you will enter the giveaway for my puffer jacket mock-up. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Many thanks. Bye.